Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing our winter 2022 FabFitFun box. First of all, look how cute this box is. I love it. FabFitFun always kills it with their box design, and I am so incredibly excited to open this up. If you are unfamiliar with FabFitFun, they are a quarterly lifestyle box. You pay around $54 a month, and you get products that are skincare, beauty, fitness, anything that is fab, fit, or fun, anything in there. It's amazing. I do have a link down below that will get you $10 off your first box, making it just 44 bucks, which is such a good deal for the value that you get. It is a fully customizable box as well. If you're an annual member, you do get to customize quickly, which I am. I love being an annual member. Definitely worth it. So let's go ahead and dive in. I already forgot what I picked, so I'm super excited to open this up. Let's go. So when you open the box, this is what it looks like. It's so pretty, so festive for the holidays. I'm gonna go ahead and set it on the floor. So on the top of the box, you do have the FabFitFun magazine. This has everything about all of the products that were customizable options and different recipes, horoscopes, notes from the editors, talking about the brand. All of the pictures are beautiful. I love flipping through this. And then it does also have a giveaway on the back. This season, it is for the El Dorado Spa Resorts. I don't know where this is, but I would be down to go, that's for sure. So this is super cool. I'm really excited to see what's in my box. Okay, so first thing I'm noticing in here, I think this is a set, so let me grab the other thing, is this Oui. I don't know how to pronounce this. Somebody please tell me. And this comes with a scalp massager as well as a detox shampoo. In either the fall or maybe the summer box, I did get a scalp scrub from this brand, and I actually just finished that last week. So I'm really excited to have something new. This brand smells amazing and makes my hair feel so good. So like I said, you do get this detox shampoo. You get 10 ounces here, and then you do get the scalp massager. If you've never used one of these before, I honestly can't recommend them enough. They come like this, some have a string, some don't, and you basically just hold them in your hand like this and then you massage your scalp. Helps to kind of remove any gunk that's on your scalp and help your hair grow nice and healthy. So I absolutely love these, and this one's in kind of this cute peachy orange color, which isn't really the most wintry, but I'm not complaining, it's still really cute. Next, we have something from Ellie, which I absolutely love. It's one of my favorite skincare brands. And this is the Superfood Facial Wash Prebiotic Gel Cleanser with kale, nettle, and avocado to nourish, cleanse, and replenish. And you get 6.7 fluid ounces in here. I love Ellie, like I said. It's interesting, there's like a huge rip in the back of this box, so I'm sure the product's fine, but that's always kind of strange. Ooh, this is a pretty bottle. Okay, so this is what that looks like. This is super pretty. I am really excited about this. I was really curious how it smells. Oh my goodness, it smells just like a spa. I am so excited to use this. Ellie makes my skin feel so good, and I always love trying new cleansers, especially from them, so I'm really excited for this one. Okay, next I picked out this Fig One, I think is the brand, and this is a glycolic glow treatment with 4% glycolic acid, PHAs, glycerin, squalene, and hyaluronic acid. And this is definitely a treatment, so it's not something that you're going to want to use too frequently. It says, yeah, use 2 to 3 times a week. So definitely not the most frequently used products. I love this packaging. It's like kind of triangular. And then this is what the actual packaging looks like for the bottle. This is pretty cute. And yes, it is a pump, which makes it nice and easy. Really nice quality packaging. I'm pretty excited to try this out as well. I feel like I like using treatments like this in the winter when my skin is all dry and angry at me for being out in the cold all the time. So I'm pretty excited about this. Then we have the Aceology Lifting Treatment Mask, which lifts, illuminates, and rejuvenates. Packaging of this is super, super pretty. So let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, it's gold. This is beautiful. Okay, so this is definitely something that would be a really, really good Christmas gift. I actually might give this to somebody for Christmas because I have so many masks. But I've heard really good things about this brand and I'm pretty excited for my friends to get to try this, whoever I give it to. Put this on for 20 minutes and then you rinse it off. So nice and easy, and it comes in a beautiful tube as well. You do get 2.19 fluid ounces. So pretty good size, especially when it comes to a mask. But then we have something that I am super excited, and this is the Sonage, I don't know. And this is the Baby Freewas. This is going well. These are the mini ice globes. So these are cute little globes that kind of help to depuff your face. I love stuff like this, especially when I have a headache, which is very frequently. I get headaches almost every single day. So I'm pretty excited for these. They, like I said, help to kind of depuff your skin and stimulate blood circulation as well. So, oh, okay, it comes in kind of like a egg carton. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my goodness, and they have little bits of glitter in them. Oh my god. Okay, these are so cute. They're so little. I think these are gonna feel really good. I'm not gonna put them on my face because I have some makeup on, but I love that they have some glitter. Let me see if I can show you kind of what that looks like. Oh my goodness. So cute. Okay, I love that. I'm not sure if you leave this in the fridge. Okay, yeah, so you're supposed to put them in the fridge about 15 minutes before you use them. And then it does actually come with a map of exactly how you could use them to sculpt your face. So that's pretty cool. I'm really excited about that. I love trying like gadgets for your skin. And this is something that's really pretty and cute and fun. So that's pretty cool. And then the last thing in here is definitely a big one. I'm gonna take it out of the packaging so you can actually see it a little bit better. So it looks a little bit strange and I'm gonna have to kind of figure out exactly how to set this up. But this is a Fila back stretcher, not scratcher. And this is kind of what it looks like. You can use it at your desk or just rest on it. I'm pretty excited about this. I have a lot of back pain, so this is pretty cool. So it comes in a few different pieces. Like I said, I'm gonna need to figure out how to put it together. And then it comes with this little band as well as what looks like just a regular foam piece. And then a strap. So I'm not super sure what all of this does, but it does have instructions. Looks like it's gonna be pretty easy to set up. Yeah, you just snap it into place and then you can do it on 3 different heights so you can kind of adjust it to your liking. So that's pretty cool. So that was everything that I customized in my box. Let me go ahead and pull up some prices online and see what the value of our box is. So the Fila flexible back scratcher is a $50 value, which is pretty good. Already paid for the box pretty much. Then we have the Sonage little globes. Those are $54. The detox shampoo and scalp scrub is $40. The Elemis face wash is $33. The Fig glycolic glow treatment is $34. And the Aceology lifting treatment mask is $69. So that is pretty significant. Let's do some math and see what the total is. So my total for my box was $280, which is absolutely incredible for a $54 box. That is amazing to get over 4 times the value. I'm super, super happy. So this is a really good box. I kind of wish that I had picked some things that weren't just skincare, but like I said, I feel like this time of year my skin could definitely use it, so I know everything will go to good use, and if it doesn't, makes a great gift. I am super curious if you already subscribed to FabFitFun. What did you pick? Did you get any of the same products as me? Have you used any of these products before? I would love to know what your experience was with them. I am super excited to try all of them out. And if you haven't tried FabFitFun, but it's something that you're interested in, definitely use my link down below to get that $10 off your first box. I think it's absolutely worth it. FabFitFun is definitely one of my favorite subscription boxes for years. I think I've had them for 4 or 5 years now, and consistently they've been blowing my mind with the quality of their products. So I'm super impressed and would love to know what you think about your box if you've gotten it already, and if you haven't, let me know what you picked out. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me and taking the time out of your day to come sit and chill with me and see what's in my box. If this is your vibe, I would love for you to subscribe and stick around. I really enjoyed having you here, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next one. In the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!